Okay guys, so this is Friday evening and I actually did order a phone holder. So tomorrow's footage will be a lot better and nicer, I hope. So let's see how it goes. I will see you tomorrow. Yo, good morning guys. So this is Saturday. It's almost 9. I'm going to Dunham car boot sale. So I decided not to go to the Hounslow one because I was a bit tired and I felt like the rest was needed. But I'm going to the Dunham car boot sale right now. It's only like 13 minutes away from my house, so it's not that far. After that I'm going to somewhere to pick up a stereo system. I will leave the place's name, like obviously not the person's address, but the place. It's a Pioneer system as well, the one I recently sold. Watch out for that video. Well, by the time I upload this video, that video would have already been out. So yeah, if you like that video, please like, share and comment. I've decided to keep it bit low today because I'm feeling a bit tired lately, so I'm just gonna go there, pick up, see how it is, because the weather is kind of shitty. So yeah, I'm gonna go there, try to get a few good things. I do have a body cam now that I actually showed you guys last night. I'm gonna be wearing that. It looks so weird, but I'm gonna be wearing that for you guys and show you anything that I pick up. Well, I'll see you at the car boot sale. Take care. How much for this? 15. day and I watch
Cut them down into shorts.
How much are you looking for them?
Thank you.
Hi there. Excuse me. Hello. Hi.
Yes, mate.
How much are you looking for them?
Huh?
How much are you looking for
How
them?
much I want for those? £6, mate. There's another pair there. I'll take the 2 for a tenner.
Which one?
The black and grey one.
I'll take this.
Yeah. Would you like a bag for that?
It's alright.
£1. Drop the pound there. Yeah.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Are you alright?
Quite down, that is.
See.
Still there.
Thank you.
We can just use the same wallpaper.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, but
Hi, sir. How much are you looking for the cups, the mugs?
the mug. Oh yeah, they're 10.
10?
They're brand new. It's a set. It's a collective set of 8.
Okay.
Yeah, they are quite collectible. Carry on, you know.
Yeah.
You're a bit too young.
But I've seen it.
Yeah.
I'll do it. I'll take it for 10.
Right,
Thank you.
Yeah, hold on. Let me put them.
Alright,
You need
please.
a bag.
If you could, please.
Yeah, no problem. Oh, no, do you want to see?
That's fine. I trust you, sir.
Oh.
If you say they're all in
they-
good
they are.
condition, I trust you.
Yeah. If you drop them by the time you get home. Right.
Thank you very much.
If you hold one in,
Of course.
that's it.
Thank
There
you
go.
very much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. How much you looking for your games?
The big ones are £2, the small ones are £1. All the pieces are there in them as well, make it a bit painful.
I'll take this too, please.
Do you want a bag?
Ah, no, it's fine. I got one.
Hate when you have to load it all back up.
There you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay guys, so that was it. I finished with this car boot sale. I didn't get that much items today because I thought the car boot sale starts at 9, but apparently it starts at 6:30. But the website needs some alteration, so I feel like I missed out a lot of good stuff, and like by that time most of it was gone. But I did get like really good stuff. I believe one of the best pickups was the carry-on set. It's like collectible sets. I got it for £10. I'm hoping for it to go for like with the box about £40 or something. That being said, what I will do is I will go home. As I said, I do have that stereo system pickup. It's about 30 minutes drive from here, so I'm gonna go there, pick that up, go home, and then I'll show you everything that I've got. Luckily I have a footage of it now thanks to the body cam. Gets hot, like I have a Samsung phone, and like if you continuously record, like it gets hot, and it was just like it was brutal. But I'm very glad, like I saw the footage and it was very nice. All right guys, I'll see you later today now. Thank you. Hey guys, so this is the next day after the car boot sale. I got super lazy for the rest of the week, so I did not do much, but I had a lot of pickups to do, and that's what I'm gonna show you. As you can see, I have the cups that you saw, the 2 games, but I actually got so many stereo systems now. One of them I picked it, the guy I sold the stereo system for £449. He wanted to give me his old one, so I bought that from £60 from him. I had another one, Pioneer stereo system, which cost me £45. I have another one over here which costed me £20, and I have one back in there which costed me £135. So that's a lot of investment. Some of them works, some of them don't, so I still have to do all of the listings and get this whole thing sorted out. So yeah, this week is gonna be crazy. The good thing is that I was actually able to make sure that any order that I get, I was packing them continuously, because I hate packing. Like, I love going to car boot sales, I love listing them. The only thing I hate is packing them, but it's the part of the job and I don't mind doing it. I hate it, but I don't mind doing it. So this is it for this week, guys. I'm gonna take the body cam and the phone next time as well. I have a lot of jackets piling up now because I was waiting for a dummy. I'm finally gonna pick one tomorrow. Once I pick it up, I'm gonna quickly list all the jackets that I have so far, including the one I showed you in one of the videos, the bikers jackets, so with the tags. So yeah guys, this is gonna be a crazy week for me, but yeah, this is it. I will see you at the next video. Take care.